You can walk my path. You can wear my
Greece.
I reckon my best moment in Graveney was probably either Greece or meeting Natalie.
Either stay year 11.
Me, Sam Styles getting his fat cock out, rubbing it all over Rosanna's back. That was quite
What was your best moment at Graveney, Yomna?
Meeting all my friends.
Airwall spandex, £150 to a beer fund. Excellent.
My best moment at Graveney is when Namila dropped in front of first time house when
I was reported to the school nurse under suspicion of taking steroids.
My best memory is when I went to
Winning the 6th Cup with Road Rage, definitely.
The work experience assembly where everyone threw around my banana skin, all the chairs fell on the floor and the teacher had to run out.
The first day I watched it.
what's the best?
My favourite moment at Graveney, well, funniest moment, when I dropped outside the lower school boys' toilets and it was wet.
Every day.
I think the funniest moment in Graveney was when we were in assembly that one time and it was that poor little guest speaker and she was all on her own and we all went fucking mental and started throwing banana peels around, paper, screwed up paper. She started crying, she ran out, we carried on throwing bananas and we carried on throwing paper.
Probably was the fusion when I did fusion. That was the first time everyone knew I could dance. That was probably the best moment. Greece was close.
Piggyback fights at the barrier and Helena getting her eye impaled on a windscreen wiper when she got thrown onto a car.
Yeah, my best moment was when one time I missed a day of school and I ran away and sent the police after me.
Year 9, tons of snow, and it went all icy. Sam Styles says, "Hey everyone, look at me." Starts ice skating around the ice, falls flat on his back. Everyone laughs at him.
We're all about it! Hello! We're all about it! And if you are a daily rush to enroll, you die! We are one of the audience!
Graveney for life!
Wales!
Water fight day.
Fucking close up.
Beating Bevan at basketball.
Say the word. No. Go.
When Lombardi's on the cup.
when I performed Pussycat Dolls.
Year 11 leaving assembly.
Greece.
I was on a ski trip in it and we were all eating and we had like 12 people on the table and everyone passed their food down to me and I ate it. And then I had to drink a cup of like orange juice and cream and baked beans. It was nasty, man.
Best moment, but one of my real favourites was Greece, which I was very good in, and Fusion last year. My best moment.
This moment, probably me and all the nice people at Graveney.
Okay, when I was dancing to Ali's song with Robin and Ali on stage in Fusion, definitely.
Probably Fusion.
When I met Danny.
Jason Silver's gay.
Hello. My funniest moment of Graveney was when Ezekiel poured toffee yogurt into Emma's bag and she ran out screaming and she didn't see it in the bag. Then she came back 2 minutes later.
Our favourite moment, me and Leo.
Good old days in our room.
Yeah, the good old days.
I don't know, I say that the barrier is not only a barrier for, like, as a barrier, as a physical barrier. It's a bit of a mental barrier as well, you know?
Yeah, I know.
You go past it, you have to stop, do you know what I mean? Even when there's no one there, you can see there's no one there.
And you still stop.
Yeah, and it's a mental barrier, isn't it?
But the other thing that I like about Graveney, apart from the barrier, is like when things just happen.
I don't know, it's like the
spontaneity.
Yeah, that word I couldn't say.
The thing about that, yeah, it happens sometimes, it doesn't really work that well, but
yeah,
sometimes
it's a bit
when it happens,
like,
it's mad,
it's like,
gang.
It's sort of a bit
It's a bit like...
What's this? Flip it, whip it, skip it, rip it. That kind of thing. Anyone got a lesson?
Yeah.
There's been too many, Ali.